Okay, students, good morning. Welcome to Maths Chef YouTube channel. Okay, this is Suraj Patil. Okay, sir. We have to start with the function chapter. Okay, sir. Very, very important fundamental chapter in the maths class of mathematics. Okay, sir. Function chapter, function. This is the only continuations only. Okay, sir. You know already what does okay, sir. What does mean function? Okay, sir. Function is the subset of any. Okay, sir. Some function is a subset of Cartesian product. A cross B. Okay, sir. F is the subset of x cross y such that, okay, sir. Subset of x belongs to x and y. The unique element. Okay, sir. You should mention unique element. Y belongs to y such that, okay, sir, x y belongs to f. Okay, sir. This is called a function. This relation between a and x and y called related. A function means y is the function of x. You can call, okay, sir. This definition you can call in calculus, you know, variable, independent variable and dependent variable. Okay, sir. You can call y is changing. Y is dependent on the x. Y is a, okay, sir, function of x completely. Okay, sir. You can understand the okay, this is the basic fundamental to the limits continuity. Okay, sir. Whole calculus chapter. Already yesterday we see some important features also. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. First one is if, okay, sir, x belongs to x, then there should be a, okay, sir. If x belongs to x, okay, sir. If x belongs to x, then there exists a unique element. Okay, sir. There exists a unique element. Okay, sir. Element y belongs to capital Y. Okay, sir. First condition, such that, okay, sir, such that y is equal to f of x. Very important. Y is like that, the function of x. You call y is the function of x. Okay, sir. First one. Second one is, okay, sir. Second one is no element of x can have more than one images in y. Okay, sir. No elements of x in y, x in x. Okay, sir. No elements of x can have more than one images in y. Okay, sir. Second one is, okay, sir, no elements of x can have more than one image in y. Okay, sir. More than one images. Okay, sir. One images in y means A should have A1, B should have B1, and this is not possible. Okay, sir. And this is not possible. First component should not have two images. Okay, sir. This is okay. This A, B cannot have same images. Okay, sir. No elements of x can have more than one images in y. Okay, sir. But this is not possible, and this may be possible. Okay. Two elements of x can have, because see, plus 2 minus 2 because become 4. But here, okay, sir, here only plus 2 cannot become 4 and 5. Okay, sir. We do not have a relation to make such that. Okay. So one element have an x at least have one image only. Okay, sir. At least means, okay, sir, is the less than or equal to 1. At least mean, okay, sir, means this is not possible. at least one element. Okay, sir. No elements of x can have more than one element. Okay, sir. X should be, okay, sir, less than or equal to 1. Okay, sir. Do you understand, sir? Getting, okay. This is x, this is y. Okay, sir. This is a, this is b. Okay, this is a1, this is b1, this is c1, this is a2, this is b2. Okay, sir. X can have at least only one element. Okay, sir. At least can have only one element. Okay, sir. This is less than or equal to 1. This is less than or equal to 1. Okay, sir. You can have. Okay, means every single element have one element. Every single element can have one element. Every single element can have one element. Okay, sir. This is the second condition. Third condition is, okay, sir, there may be element of x, but not associated with the y. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. There may be element of x which is not associated with the y, like that, sir. See, simple. This is the x and this is the y. Okay, sir. This is the a1, this is the b1, this is the a2, this is the b2, this is the a3, this is the b3. Okay, sir. Everyone can have one element. Okay, sir. This should be, but this is okay function. Understand, sir? Means elements A should exhaust, but elements of Y may or may not exhaust. Okay, sir. Means may have, may not have pre-images. Okay, sir. This is the image of A1, image of, okay, sir, image of A2, image of A3, but this element does not have any pre-image. Okay, sir. Does not have any function, that does not have any variable in x. Okay, sir. And this is okay, called function. And distinct elements of x may have the same addition y. Already have said. Distinct elements of x can have same addition y. Okay, done. And function is determined when f of x is known for all x equal to. Okay, sir. And function defined only. Okay, sir. F is defined only. F is defined. Okay, sir. F is defined only when y is equal to f of x. Means there should be a relation. This is a relation. Okay, a function. Means y has some values at x. Okay, sir. Then it's the word defined only. F is defined when f of x is known for all x values. X belongs to x only. Okay, sir. Next, very, very important types of function. We call one function, one-two function, onto function, into function, and one corresponding function. There are many varieties. Okay, sir. Different types are there. We will see. We will go through the each one with examples. Okay, sir. Detailed. Okay, sir. First, very important. Okay, sir. One function. The name indicates one function. Okay, sir. This is x and this is y. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. This is the one function, sir. Each element of x have distinct element of, okay, sir, y. This is the one function. Means, okay, sir, each element of have, okay, sir, each element of, sorry, each element, sir, taking too much time. Okay, sir, if x1 belongs to x, okay, sir, and x2 belongs to x, okay, sir, then, okay, sir, x1 is not equal to x2. Okay, sir. This is the first one condition. Okay, sir. Means x1 have different y1, x1 have different y1, and x2 have different y2. compulsory. Okay, sir. So this implies also you can call also f of x1 is not equal to f of x2. Also you can call, okay sir, y1 is not equal to y2. Okay sir. Means in mathematical form I'm telling sir, if x1 belongs to x and y1 belongs to y, okay sir. Listen carefully. Okay sir. If okay sir, x1 belongs to x and x2 belongs to x, then okay sir, x1 is not equal to x2. This implies that, okay sir, y1 is not equal to y2. Implies that means you can write also f of x1 not equal to f of x2. Okay sir. Different elements. Okay sir. Different means x1 and x1 and x2 are different. Okay sir. Means here y1 and y2 belongs to capital Y. Some conditions. Or okay sir. Or if okay, if x1 is equal to x2. Okay sir. If x1 okay single element, I am telling you, not two elements, a single element means it means okay sir is equal to y1 is equal to y2. This implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This is very useful when proving the function is 1 1 or not. Okay sir. If x1 is equal to x2, okay sir, means only single element. Okay sir. Then function also, okay sir, then corresponding value of y at x equal to x1 or x2 should be equal. Okay sir. This means, okay sir, this is x1 and this is y1. Okay sir. Again this is x1 and this should be a y1. Like that we can write sir, okay. 1, here should be a 2, it should be a 1, okay sir. It should be a 1, this should be a 2. Like that. 1 1. Function said to be 1 1 means if x1, okay sir, f of x1 is not equal to f of x2 or f of x1 is equal to f of x2. We can prove anyone. Okay sir. This is the 1 1 function. Okay sir. Next, many one function. Okay sir. Second one is many one function. The name indicates many to 1. Okay sir. See sir, their writing is 1 to 1 means this is x and this is y. These are distinct elements. Single elements, discrete and distinct. You can call also. Okay sir. Here we call many one. Okay. Many is 1. Okay sir. You can call 2 also. 2, 1. This is x and this is y. Okay sir. Means x1 is equal to y1 and x2 is equal to y1. You can have this element. Okay sir. You can have this also. You can write 1 is equal to 2 and 2 is equal to 2. Okay sir. This is also called. Okay sir. Mathematical I will write. Okay sir. Mathematically, okay sir. x1 belongs to x and x2 belongs to x. Okay sir. We can write also this also. x1 and x2 belongs to x. Okay sir. Okay, then okay sir, y is equal to f of x1. Okay sir. Again you can call okay sir. Again you can call y is equal to f of x2. Yes sir. This is possible only. So you cannot write this one. Which one? And then it implies that okay sir, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay sir. And this is not. You should not write this one. Okay sir. Means that different images of X can have same images in Y. They given like that. Okay, sir. Exactly. A function f from x to y is called an even function if two or more elements of x have same images in y. Okay, sir. Two or more elements. Okay, sir. Two or more can have same images in y. Okay, sir. Two or more. Clearly they given. I am taking x1, x2, x3, x4. Okay, sir. So this is y1. Two or more. Okay, sir. This is called only constant functions, na? You can tell like that, sir. It's called constant functions. Constant function. Okay, sir. In examples, you came to know what is many one function is distinct. Okay, sir. Two or more than elements of x can have same images in y. Okay, that is the many one function. Third one is onto function. Sir. Onto. Okay, sir. In onto function is very important. Okay, sir. We have N1 x1 belongs to x2 belongs to x. Okay, sir. And y1 and y2 belongs to y. Okay, sir. The definition of onto is, okay, sir, the elements in y, images in y at least have one pre-image in x. Okay, sir. This should have at least one element. Okay, sir. It's very important. Okay, sir. Elements in y at least have three images in. Okay, sir. This is y1, this is y2, this is y3, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3. This should be like this. Okay. If this is like that, if it does not have any elements in this one, this is not, okay, sir, onto function. Very important. Yes, sir. If you tell onto means there should be a pre-images for every images. Okay, sir. Pre-images for every images. Okay, sir. There should be a pre-images. Okay, sir. Images for every images. Every images. Okay, sir. I can tell also. Okay, sir. Already you know. This is x. This is y. Okay, sir. This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. Okay, sir. This is up to here. Okay, sir. 1 1 plus onto. Okay, up to here. Okay, sir. See, this is here. Okay, sir. This is the domain. This is the domain. Okay, sir. This is the range only. Okay, sir. Range means, okay, sir, x1 is y1 and x2 and y2. So domain you can write x1, x2, and range you can write y2, y1. And this is the codomain. Okay, sir. What is codomain? The whole set is codomain. Okay, sir. Here codomain is reduced to the range. Okay, sir. This becomes codomain. Okay. Okay, sir. Means range is reduced to the codomain. Means range is equal to codomain. Is equal to codomain. Means there are no other elements except the images of x. Okay, sir. There are no other elements in the set of y except images of x. Okay, sir. That's what we call. Okay, so codomain means what? Okay, you can tell also x1, x2, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Okay, sir. This is the codomain. Okay, sir. We have two elements for it. So this becomes range. Okay, sir. That's why in onto function. Okay, sir. In subjective function, in onto function, we are, okay, sir, codomain is reduced to the range. Very important. Codomain is reduced to the range. Okay, sir. Domain, codomain becomes range, or range becomes codomain. Okay, so range means the elements of Y are only the images of X only. Okay, sir. That is the onto function. Okay, sir. Next one is into function. Okay, sir. Alright, now okay, sir. After onto, we coming up with the into function. Okay, sir. Into. Okay, sir. Into in single option, if the function is not onto, you can tell the function is into. Okay, sir. So not onto means what, sir? Not onto means what? This is the x, this is the y. Okay. This is the x1, this is the x2, this is the x3, this is the y1, this is the y2, this is the y3. Okay, sir. This becomes onto. Okay, sir. In into function, what happens? There will be a extra element where it does not have any pre-images in x. Okay, sir. This becomes, okay, sir. Okay, sir. This becomes which one? Into function. Function is if, okay, sir. Into function is if not onto function. Okay, so into function is a if function is not into, if, okay, sir. If a function is not onto, then it is into. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The range. Okay, sir. This is the code domain. Okay, sir. And this is the range. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The range becomes, okay, sir. Range becomes the subset of codomain. Subset of codomain. In technically, okay, sir. In deep, range is a proper subset. Okay, sir. Range is a proper subset. Proper subset. Okay, sir. What a proper subset? Okay, sir. A subset except itself. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. So, okay, subset means what a proper subset? You can tell proper subset. Okay, sir. Of a is equal to sentence. Okay, sir. A subset of number of subsets. How many are, sir? 2 to the power m. Okay, sir. 2 to the power n of a minus 1. What is minus 1? Okay, sir. Minus 1 is equal to the a. Okay, so you can write here also. Okay, sir. Number of n of a minus a also. Only for symbolic I am writing a means, okay, sir, except in the main set. Proper subset is the number of elements is less than 1. That's called number of set subsets. Okay, so number of elements in subset. If it is less than 1, that's called proper subset. Okay, sir. Less than, okay, sir. That's why range is a subset of codomain. In technically, the proper subset always has the less elements than the codomain. Okay, sir. Less elements than the codomain. That's called into function. Okay, sir. Into function. And last one is the which one? Last one is one-on-one correspondence. Let us see about that one. Okay, so last one is one-one correspondence. Okay, sir. Simple definition. If the function is one-one and onto. Okay, sir. If the function is one-one and onto, then it is called bijective. Okay, sir. You can call also bijective. Bijective function. One-one. Okay, sir. There should be a one-one x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, sir. Should have a corresponding elements. Okay. This one and, okay, sir, this pre-images. Okay, there shall be images and compulsory pre-images. Okay, that is called one-one correspondence. Okay, sir. Okay, this is the conclusion. First one is, okay, sir, one-one set. One is each elements of have one single pre, okay, sir, images. Second one is many one means two elements have common images. Same elements in Y. Third one is okay, sir, onto function. Onto means the inverse function. So you can tell. Okay, onto means nothing but inverse. Okay, sir. Inverse means Y is equal to f of x if then okay sir x should be a f of y. Okay sir, and this belongs to okay sir, and f of x belongs to y and f of y belongs to x. This condition must be satisfied, sir. Very important. Means inverse function. Okay sir, inverse means you can't tell inverse also. Okay. Inverse, okay sir. Every image must and should have one image, a pre-image. Okay sir. Y is equal to if y is equal to f of x and okay sir, f of x belongs to y, then x is equal to f of y and f of y belongs to x. Okay, this is the important conditions. Okay. Then into function, thus okay sir, proper subset means when I have more than okay sir, there is the image which does not have any pre-images, and last one is okay sir, one correspond both one and onto. Okay sir. Okay sir. From now onwards, okay sir, already we have completed. Okay, this is the only basics only. Then next class only we will start the questions. Okay sir, related questions. Okay sir, from class 1, class 12, class 3. Okay, class plus okay plus 1, plus 2, in graduation, post graduation. Okay sir, our job is only find the domain, range, codomain. Okay sir, the final set, okay, infinite set. It's again domain, range, codomain, domain, range, codomain. This is the only job. They give the different questions. We should find out what is the domain, what is the functions continuous, what is the function differentiable. Okay, it depends upon the and in the calculus. Okay sir, just ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪದೇ ಓದ್ರಿ, ಪದೇ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಸರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಥರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಷನ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸರ್. 6 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬೈಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಒನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಆನ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಂಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಮೆನಿ ಒನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಒನ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡೆಸಿರ್ತವೆ, ವೈ ಯಾವ ಥರ ನಡೆಸಿರ್ತವೆ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಯಾವ್ದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟು, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಡಿ ಇಮೇಜಿನ್ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ದಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್.